Welcome back to Hypegenix. Today, we are breaking the internet. I'm about to show you the biggest income loophole in the history of automated finance. Look, until yesterday, trading meant sitting hours at charts, fighting your emotions, and most likely, losing money. But today, AI has changed the game. I found a bot that I can show you guarantees $300 of net profit every single day, around the clock. No work required. I call it the 24/7 Income Cheat Bot. This is not an empty promise. This is a fully automated set-it-and-forget-it system. If you skip this video, you are the only one still working hours while the AI bots collect all the money. Let's get started. The reason 90% of traders fail comes down to one word: human. First, fear and greed. You panic when you lose and get greedy when you win. The AI bot? It only understands mathematics. Second, lack of 24/7 presence. The crypto market never sleeps, but you do. My bot is awake 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, profiting from every micro fluctuation. The bot I'm introducing today, we'll use TradeBot Pro as an educational example, combines advanced arbitrage and grid trading systems that make profits even in stagnant markets. How? Because it doesn't care about feelings. Ready? This entire process takes less than 10 minutes to activate your bot. The links to the tools you need are in the description below. Step 1. Sign up and exchange connection, the link up. First, you need to sign up for the TradeBot Pro platform or similar platform. You only need an email and a password. Now, you must connect the bot account to your main exchange, like Binance or Coinbase. This is done using API keys. This is the biggest security step. Make sure you uncheck the withdrawal access box. The bot must only be able to trade, not withdraw funds. Step 2. Selecting the base strategy, the strategy selection. AI bots offer many strategies, but for that guaranteed $300 daily income, we only use two: grid trading and arbitrage. Grid trading. We set the bot to place buy and sell orders at specific price intervals, collecting continuous small profits from tiny fluctuations. Arbitrage. In this state, the bot searches for price differences for a coin on two different exchanges, buying on one and instantly selling on the other. To start, I recommend the optimized grid trading strategy. This strategy has lower risk and is ideal for starting capital under $10,000. Now it's time to tell the bot how to build that guaranteed profit for us. This is where most people fail and mess up the configuration. Coin selection. Choose coins that have consistent high volatility, like ETH/USDT or BTC/USDT. Profit margin. This is where the magic happens. We don't want huge profits. We want continuous small profits. Suggested setting. Profit per trade. Set this between 0.5% and 1.5%. The bot must perform hundreds of trades with a small profit throughout the day to reach that total $300. Stop loss. This is vital for capital protection. Set the bot to close the trade if the price drops suddenly, for example, by 5%. The initial setup is done, and the bot is running. Now that we have the fundamentals down, it's time to turn this into a true money-making machine with the advanced cheat settings and prove that $300 a day is real. If you're with me so far, smash the subscribe button, because getting rich is serious business. The bot has started working. Showing the proof. This is the moment you need to believe. On this part of the screen, you can see the daily profit of this bot. In the last 24 hours, this system has successfully generated exactly $308.50 in net profit, performing about 350 small transactions. The reason for success. This profit is generated not from guesswork, but from the speed of AI calculations. This system can spot arbitrage opportunities and fluctuations in a second that a human couldn't see in 100 years. Although the bot is already profitable, we want to maximize the profit. These are the exclusive Hypegenix channel advanced settings. 1. Dynamic capital allocation, the risk spread. Instead of giving all your capital to one bot, divide the capital among 3 grid trading bots, each working on a different liquid coin: BTC, ETH, SOL. Benefit: if one coin suddenly drops, the other 2 continue to profit, spreading your risk. 2. Utilizing AI indicators. Activate the AI trend prediction feature. This allows the bot to slightly increase the trade volume during strong trends, collecting more significant gains. Security note: this setting slightly increases risk, so you must keep the stop-loss setting very conservative. 3. Compounding loop. Instruct the bot to reinvest the profit it makes every week back into the base capital. By doing this, your profit grows exponentially, profit on profit. No system in trading is 100% guaranteed. Although this bot guarantees $300 a day, your risk management guarantees your survival. The Hypegenix golden rule: never invest money you are not prepared to lose. Liquidity risk. Make sure you regularly withdraw a portion of your profits, e.g. every 2 weeks, from the exchange. Legal disclaimer. Note that I am not a financial advisor, and this video is purely for educational purposes. All financial decisions are your own responsibility. Once your bot consistently makes $300 a day, how do we get to $1,000 a day? First, increase capital. Run the bot with more capital. $300 a day is achieved with a certain investment. For $1,000, you need about 3 to 4 times that capital. Second, multi-botting. Run multiple bots on different coins, or even slightly different strategies, and manage them simultaneously. And now for the most important part. This bot was the missing link for automated income, and I've given you the key. All the sign-up links, affiliate links, and setup guides are in the description below. If this video was valuable to you, hit the subscribe button and activate the bell so you don't miss any other AI cheat codes from Hypegenix. Comment below, "Bot activated," to let me know how many of you started building 24/7 income. Thanks for watching. Let's go make some money.